how to add a Visa gift card on Amazon, or how to use Visa gift card on Amazon. So the first step is to open your Amazon right away. So for my case, I won't open the Amazon application because it will show a blank screen. So I'll choose to open the Chrome browser whereby my Amazon account is all set up and logged in. So come to search icon here, then search for the following. Search for Amazon Reloader. Okay, Amazon Reload, like that. So you search for that, then it starts loading. So you come and choose this first option here. It loads Amazon.com gift card. So you tap that. Okay, so remember, I'm going to be showing you how to add your Visa gift card on Amazon. So after tapping on that, just come and choose any amount you want depending on the amount that's on your gift card. Then tap on buy now. When you tap on buy now, please wait for it to load. As you can see, it's loading. Now at this point, come and tap on add credit card or Visa card. Okay, so after adding that, just come and input your card details. So you can either put them manually like that, or you can scan them, but scanning them is only possible when using the application. So I'm using the website. I'll just put it manually. So you also put the CVV 3-digit number. Then you can also put the names of your gift card. Okay, so after putting in all this, what you're going to do is simple. Just come and tap on add and continue, and then you agree to the terms and conditions and continue. As you can see, this isn't a valid gift card details. This is just for illustration purposes, but that's what you're supposed to do literally. Okay, so that's it guys. Please ensure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, we shall meet once again.